Grammar. The present of verb be. The learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify the forms of verb be, use verb be in affirmative and negative statements, use verb be in yes-no questions and WH questions. The present of verb be, affirmative statements. Listen to the following short conversation and pay attention to the form of verb be. My name is Ali. I am 36 years old. I am a dentist. My name is Walid. I am 23 years old. I am a firefighter. The present of verb be, affirmative statements and contractions. Use am with the personal pronoun I. Example, I am a student. Contracted form, I'm a student. Use is with the personal pronouns he, she, or it, or with the singular form of nouns. Example, he is at school, he's at school. She is sick, she's sick. It is hot and humid, it's hot and humid. Use are with the personal pronouns you, we, or they, or with the plural form of nouns. Examples, you are late, you're late. We are teachers, we're teachers. They are at the library, they're at the library. The present of verb be, negative statements. Listen to the following short conversation and pay attention to the negative form of verb be. My name isn't Walid. My name is Ali. I'm not a firefighter. I'm a dentist. My name isn't Ali. My name is Walid. I'm not a dentist. I'm a firefighter. The present of verb be, negative statements and contractions. Use am not with the personal pronoun I. Examples, I am not a student. Contracted form, I'm not a student. Notice here that the verb am is not contracted with the word not. So do not contract the verb am with the word not. Use is not with the personal pronouns he, she, or it, or with the singular form of nouns. Examples, he is not at school. He isn't at school. She is not sick. She isn't sick. It is not hot and humid. It isn't hot and humid. Use are not with the personal pronouns you, we, or they, or with the plural form of nouns. Examples, you are not late. You aren't late. We are not teachers. We aren't teachers. They are not at the library. They aren't at the library. Be careful. Am not is not contracted. So do not contract the verb am with the word not. The present of verb be, yes, no questions. Listen to the following short conversation and pay attention to the word order in yes, no question. Are you a dentist? No, I'm not. I'm a scientist. Are you a firefighter? No, I'm not. I'm a police officer. The present of verb be, yes, no questions. Begin your yes, no question with am with the personal pronoun I. Example, am I a student? Answer, yes, you are. No, you are not. Begin your yes, no question with is with the personal pronouns he, she, or it, or with the singular form of nouns? Examples: is he at school? Yes, he is. No, he's not. Is she busy? Yes, she is. No, she's not. Is it hot and humid? Yes, it is. No, it's not. Begin your yes-no question with are, with the personal pronouns you, we, or they, or with the plural form of nouns. Examples: are you a doctor? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Are we late? Yes, you are. No, you're not. Are they at the library? Yes, they are. No, they are not. Pay attention to the word order in yes-no question. Begin your question with verb be followed by the subject. The present of verb be, WH question. Listen to the following short conversation and pay attention to the word order in WH questions. What is wrong with you? Where's my homework? The present of verb be, WH questions. Begin your WH question with a question word like what, where, when, who, why, how, what time, etc. Then use the same word order as in yes-no questions. Example: why am I here? Answer: because we need to talk to you. Where's he now? He is at school. Why is she absent? Because she's sick. What is it? It's a notebook. How are you? I am fine. Where are we? We are lost. Who are they? They are my cousins. Pay attention here to the word order in WH question. Begin your question with a question word, then use the same word order as in yes-no question. Verb be followed by the subject. Thank you. This is the end of the lesson.
Please give comment and suggestions.
Thank you.
Subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank for visit our channel. See you next class.
Thank you.